In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do a cash refund in Xero when a customer returns goods, is overcharged, or you need to give money back for any reason. Recording a cash refund correctly keeps your accounts accurate and your audit trail clear. Before you begin, make sure you're logged in with permission to manage sales and have the original invoice and the refund amount handy. Start by opening Xero and heading to Sales. This area is the hub for your invoices and customer activity. From there, go into Invoices. You'll see your list of draft, awaiting payment, and paid invoices. Use the search or filters to quickly find the invoice connected to the refund. Select the invoice to open it. Take a moment to confirm you've got the right customer, the correct invoice number, and that the refund amount you plan to issue matches what's due back. It's much easier to check now than to fix later. Next, choose Add Cash Refund. This tells Xero you're returning money to the customer and links the refund to this invoice or its related credit. It ensures the customer's balance is updated and your reports stay consistent. In the refund panel, select the account you're paying the refund from. This is usually the bank account or cash account that will show the outgoing payment. Pick the same account that will appear on your bank feed, so reconciliation is seamless. While you're here, check the date, amount, and description or reference. Clear details like the reason for the refund help anyone reviewing your file understand exactly what happened. When everything looks right, click Add to post the refund. Xero will create the refund transaction and apply it to the invoice or credit note. You'll see the movement reflected in the invoice history, the customer's statement, and the selected bank account. After you've added the refund, keep an eye on your bank feed. When the matching outgoing payment appears, it should be ready to reconcile in a single click because you chose the correct account and details. If something doesn't look right, review the refund entry you just created and adjust as needed in line with your accounting policies. And that's it. You've recorded a cash refund in Xero quickly and cleanly, with all the right links for accurate reporting.